To save a web page as a PDF in the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Internet app and then open the desired web page you want to save. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right and then tap print or PDF to go to the preview screen. Tap the printer name section and then select Save as PDF. Tap PDF icon. Select the folder you want to save the PDF and then tap Done button. To access the PDF, open My Files app and then navigate to the folder where you save the PDF. Tap the file to view it. Saving a web page as PDF is a quick and convenient way to preserve information, whether it's a helpful article, a receipt, or an important document. This feature makes it easy to access content offline, share it, or keep it for future reference. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.